Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to move edge panels on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. After click on edge panels, if you want to move edge panel to right or left, click on handle and you will see click on position. If you want to move handle left, click on left. You will see edge panel is here. If you want to move handle right, click on right. So you will select left and right from here. After select, go back to home screen. So that's how you can move edge panels on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.